Economics, where I, your friend and your tutor, helps you understand the world of economics and finance in the most simplest of ways.
In a previous video, we understood what is a want, why is it called a need, and its characteristics. Now let us look at its classification. So the very first classification is a want is categorized into an economic want and a non-economic want. Now as the name suggests, economic wants will have monetary transactions or they will require money. Non-economic wants are without making a monetary payment and they do not require money, right? Very easy to understand. Let us look at some examples. For economic wants, that first example is paying for food. You purchase food by giving out money. Next is buying a house. Similar to paying for food, you have to shell out money to buy a house. Next is selling a car. In this case, you will receive money, even that is included in monetary transaction. For non-economic want, first is need for air. Under normal circumstances, you and me breathe freely, right? So we do not need to pay for air. Next is wanting sunshine. Now, sunlight is the most important form of source to get vitamin D, right? Unless you want to get your vitamin D by purchasing tablets or anything, that will require money. But if you want to get vitamin D for free, sunlight or sunshine is your option, correct? So that is a non-economic want. Next is individual or collective wants. Now individual wants are at individual level, that is you as an individual are demanding it. Social wants or collective wants are at a social level. Just like you, there are many others who are demanding this one. Next is provides individual satisfaction. So whatever you were needing or whatever you were wanting gets fulfilled, your individual want will be satisfied. Whereas social one or the collective wants provides collective satisfaction because a lot of others were also demanding it or had the same want. If that gets satisfied, there will be collective satisfaction. Let's look at the example. An individual traveling by personal vehicle. So this person wants to reach point A by his personal vehicle. If he reaches there, his individual want will be satisfied. Whereas traveling by train, a lot of people want to go from point A to point B. They travel together in a train, right? If you get down at a particular station, there might be 10 others getting down with you, right? So what is that? Collective satisfaction. That is, all those people who got down on that particular station have their want collectively satisfied.
Let us continue. Now let's discuss necessities, comforts, and luxuries. So, first is necessities. Now, what are your necessities? These are your very basic needs. That is, what is it that you need in order to survive? So, these are essential in nature. For example, food, clothing, shelter, health, and education. These are absolutely necessary for you to survive. Next come comfort. So wants which make your life comfortable. Now comfortable, right? So these are not really that essential. So not necessarily essential in nature. For example, washing machine, mixer, mobile phone and laptop. Now I personally think a lot of you might disagree that mobile phones cannot come in comfort but in necessities. So comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on this. Next, let's discuss luxuries. So now some wants which are only for pleasure and enjoyment. Okay, pleasure and enjoyment is not a necessity, right? So these wants are absolutely not essential. That is, even if these wants do not get fulfilled, they will not hamper your rate of survival. For example, air conditioner, microwave, car, diamond necklace, or let's say jewelry, right? So these are your luxuries. I hope you've understood what necessities, comforts, and luxuries are. I'll just move aside, and give you a whole picture of the whiteboard.